Ah, what a nice day. Hello everyone. Do you fancy virtual reality trips? If yes, put your headset on and let's go. This time we will go to Ambleside waterfalls. They are not very big, but they are nice. But first, some equipment. Shoes. Mobile phone in case we need some help, and I obviously cannot miss my handbag with damage +5. Let's go! Let's get rather out of the building. Nice view though. Which way to waterfalls? I think over there. And now, a little bit about the location. We are in England, that's in Europe. Hey! In Lake District, and this town is called Ambleside. It is a little village, but it's a very favorite tourist location, so it's busy. However, I'm not going to talk about this town anymore. I'll just let you enjoy and make sure no car kills me. Now, we could go to Waterfall Pike if we want, but I don't want to, because I want to go to the waterfalls. Let's go. There's too many cars, really. Getting hot. Check this out. To your right and also to your left and everywhere around. It's beautiful, isn't it? If the weather is not crap, I really like to live here. Unfortunately, in Lake District, it rains like 300 days a year. But I guess that's why there are the lakes. And maybe it should be renamed to Rain District. Look at this. Hear those crows? I really like all those flowers down here and the river, and I wish to live in the houses over there. I maybe will try to get there, but I think it's private. They will not let me in. They don't let YouTubers and VRTVs in. Anyways, oh. Okay, I don't want to live there, I want to live there. It looks nice. The balcony over there, it's cool. Okay, nothing here. Look at the sign. It says this way to the waterfalls. So we will. It's not the waterfalls yet, but I couldn't resist and I'm getting a little bit hungry. So I'll eat my pastry and you can enjoy. That's not it yet, but it still looks alright. Don't stay there. Let's move a little bit more up the stream. Which way now? There or there? I think I like more the way down the hill rather than up the hill. So, let's go again. And I see a bridge over there. It will be nice. Over there, and here is another bridge. Ooh, that looks nice. Yourself, or actually myself. This looks interesting. Check this out. The fallen tree. Shall I go to the other side? Well, there is nowhere to go, really. Oh, geez, that's steep. Oopsie daisy, I just ran out of the battery. So here we continue. And I think I can make it down there. It will be fun. Let's do it. I am risking my poor life for you. Okay. So, it looks like natural steps here. So if you watch my video on some YouTube channel or somewhere and there are no more videos after this, that means I killed myself. Hopefully not. Now sorry, but I have to jump. Help! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shall I go there? I'll try. I might end up under the waterfalls actually. It's quite easy to walk here. I hope there are no snakes or anything. Ah. Okay, I think that's it. I'm not going through there anywhere. Maybe through here. And I'm really curious if I make it back. Ever. Up. However, I got tourist shoes from Germany, so that's high quality. Okay, let's go back. Whew, I am back as the I play Pokemon Go guy. Okay, let's continue in our super trip. Right, so there is the bridge, but we will go actually here. Let's do this. We will go over there, but first we will have a look here, because that's the edge of Ambleside village. There is a lot of sheep here, well, not right now, but generally in Cumbria there is so many sheep that they offer on breakfast, except of 4 pork sausages, also Cumbrian sausages. And you can guess what is it made out of. It's not pork. Yes, that's the lumps. What are those Cumbrian sausages made of? Oh, hello guys! So, there is another decision. Shall I go this way around the handrails or that way up the hill? However, because I can hear the waterfalls very well, I think I will just grab your hat and go down here. Yes, the more intelligent of you got it. We are here. That's the waterfalls in Ambleside. It's not Niagara Falls, but it's still quite pretty. Enjoy! And we will have a look on the waterfall from the place over there. There is a little fence and there is also a bench and table to sit down and have refreshment. But first we will go up there. There is a bridge, so we will go all the way around on the bridge and then there. See you on a bridge. And thanks to video technology, we are very close to bridge. Just have a look over there. And down here also, it's nice. And the best thing is, there are no people around. It's around right now about 6 o'clock in the evening, so if you ever visit Lake District or Ambleside and would you like to go for this waterfall trip, make sure it's late in the evening when all the people are tired after all day long, or go for dinner or whatever else, or maybe checked out already from hotels. Right, so here is waterfall. We were here, then we went up to the bridge, and now we are on the other side of waterfall. I'll show you how it looks like from here, from over there actually. This looks like disabled access, and the road over there as well. It wouldn't surprise me if there was, because we are in England, access for wheelchair people. Right, we will have a better view from down there, but first, this is quite interesting because someone has decided to put here locks. Jan Grasam, Sarah and Oli married 12 November 2017. Whatever. Oli and Laura, October 2017, married also. Okay, so this is how the waterfalls looks like from here. And I think it's a little bit more beautiful from the other place. So let's move. And I'll keep it there longer for you, don't worry. Be happy. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this trip. If you want to see more, find me on YouTube. My channel is called VR Trips. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, anything you want. See you later. Bye bye.